It's Christmas. It's Christmas. I'm so excited. This is my Christmas home decor tour. There isn't a massive amount, I have to be honest, but I like dressing the house up, so I wanted to show you. I like the house to look really homely and just very festive, lots of lights everywhere, lots of candles everywhere. I've still got to buy from the White Company some of their winter candles, because last year I burnt them all out. I had them on all day, every day, because I love the smell. It's the orange and the cinnamon. They just smell of Christmas. So I've got a few candles left to buy. Probably get them Saturday, because they have a sale on at the minute. So if there's anything that you need Christmas decoration wise, the White Company have got a sale on. But without further ado, let's look at my Christmas decor. Okay, so let me show you what I got whilst I was there. They have got 20% off. I'm not sure if it's off everything, but it's definitely off all the candles and kind of like, you know, the homeware bits and the scents. But I got, for the kitchen, I got 2 of the signature winter candles, which I absolutely love at this time of year. It's just my favourite scent. I also got the large winter botanical candle, and I love these because they've got the oranges and the cinnamon sticks, and I love the way they look. They have such a really nice Christmassy vibe. And then I got the plate to put it on because my youngest smashed my old one. I also got a few Christmas presents as well, but I'm not going to show you them. So yeah, that's everything that I got from the White Company. Okay, in the kitchen, I've got this really cute garland from John Lewis. And then these candles, which are they're like little houses. They're really cute. They were from Sainsburys, and I think they were about £6, but they're really, really cute. And this is the style I would normally go for. I've got this as well that I put up every single year. I got this from the White Company. I think they still sell it. It's about £30, 35 quid. But it just looks really nice in the middle of the wall where the sink is. And that's the kind of style I usually go for. It's kind of like a Scandinavian style. It's so dark today. Look how dark it is. This star is the White Company as well. I've had this for years and years and years, but they still sell it. It's quite expensive. It's about £65, but it's a very heavy wire star with beads. I don't know if you can see the beading on it. Can you see the beading? And I have that up all year round. I never take it down. And then there's the garlands outside. They look really, really cute. And then I've got them around the bay window as well, you can't see. But this is the living room. It's my favourite room in the house. I love this really cozy little section. This is from the White Company as well, but I think this is around £40. It's not as expensive. And then how cute are these cute little houses? They're from John Lewis. They were £10 each, but I think they're in the sale now. I absolutely love them. They're so cute. And then I've got some lights in my eucalyptus, which looks really, really cute. I absolutely love that. And then here's my tree. I absolutely love this tree. There's just so many nice pieces to it. And there's the star up there. And most of this is the White Company, so actually that's John Lewis. These are all White Company, these beaded ones. White Company, all these porcelain ones, these are all the White Company. But they're really nice because you can spray them with room spray and it takes on the smell and the scent lasts for ages. But they're so nice. And I love these. These are my favourites. Absolute favourites. Absolutely love these ones. I've had these ones for years. I think that's John Lewis. But you get the feel, don't you? You can see the style that I go for. So yeah, that's everything. I just think it looks really, really festive. I absolutely love it.